Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are looking for how to generate free AI images, then this video is for you. So if you are looking for how to make free AI images in 2025, then watch the video till the end. So first you need to go to a website which is a very famous website, meta.ai. So this is the website we are going to use to create images. So next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click on create. So I already created some of the images here. So let me show you how you can generate more. So few things you need to know. You can change the size. If you want in 16 by 9 ratio, you can select this option. You can also select secure or portrait, and so I'm going with 9 by 16. So now we are going to generate images. So how we can, simply you have to write the prompt. So I'm going to describe images like a photo of a Pakistani person standing in front of commercial market. Make sure. So one thing more I'm going to add is he is wearing shalwar kameez and a Honda 125 motorcycle, and sitting on. So I'm just going to click on send. So it will generate 4 photos. You can select any of the photo, and which is 100% free. So you can generate unlimited photos using this method, and which is 100% free. So let's see. Here we go. I can select any image. Let's suppose I'm going to download this one. Simply I have to click on these three lines, or here on this button, and here you can see the option download. Now if you want to animate this, you can also click on animate and animate the photo as well, or you can, if you want to make it custom animate, you can also use this option custom animate, and here you can describe the image. You can also change, you can also restyle it if you want it in illustrated, anime. These are the options available as well. You can also edit your image, like if you want to add a hat, so simple edit, add a hat. Now click on send button, and it will again generate 4 images for you. So hope you like this little tutorial on how to generate free AI images in 2025. If you have any question, do let me know in the comment section. So as you can see now, they added hat as well. So if you have any question, do let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.